So right now I'm at an Anvil and Lace farm in Kentucky. As you can see, there's a bunch of paddocks. A pretty sweet place. Got a nice barn set up here. 4 barns. Out we go. On to our next run. Clark Lake, Michigan. Going to deliver 2 more. And then up to Byron to drop off another one. Kind of a cool place. We're on Newtown Pike Road right now in Kentucky. A bunch of really pretty farms out here. A lot of big barns and pastures. It's pretty sweet. There's Walnut Hall Farms over there. Real nice setup. And there's a couple of these Spy Coast barns down here that are pretty cool. Big into breeding. There's a farm up here that I gotta take a video of. It's got
1/3 of a mile, turn right.
Tan fence, and it's set up really sharp. Kind of like what I would want to do at my farm. I have white fencing.
Turn right to Ironworks Pike.
Way too much work to keep up on. But this tan looks sharp. I like it. It's real pretty. Another big one back there. Kentucky is definitely beautiful. All the horse farms. There's some of the college spring farms over there for Kentucky. Another entrance to Spy Coast. Nice place over here. It's for sale.